Here's I have a GIF on my mobile gallery. Now I'll show you how to publish or post this GIF in Instagram. I'm going to opening my Instagram and going to my profile and tapping on this plus icon, tapping on post, and here selecting the GIF, tapping on next, and tapping on share to post the GIF. And here opening the GIF post, and as you can see, after posted, the GIF converted to a still image. So if you upload a GIF as a post, the GIF will be converted to a still image. And now I've already uploaded the GIF as a reel. Let's open the reel. So here we can see the reel. So if you also uploaded a reel, a GIF as a reel, the reel will be a still image. Here we can see. So in Instagram, here is no option to upload a GIF file format. So we have to convert the GIF to MP4, and then we will upload the video or MP4 file to our Instagram. And this is the only way to do it. So go to your mobile phone browser and type here GIF to MP4. And here as a search results, you will find lots of websites. You can use any of them to convert the GIF to MP4. So all you have to need, once you successfully converted the GIF to a MP4 or video, now go to your Instagram, tap on this plus icon, select reel and upload the MP4 file and publish the GIF. And then you will see this like this, you have successfully uploaded a GIF. So here we can see the GIF successfully uploaded. Thanks for watching.